Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you that this event is not just an award ceremony, but it is much more than that. It is not only an award ceremony, but a tribute to the idols of unity, integrity, and the selfless leadership that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel embodied. And as this is an special occasion, I would like to tell you one untold story which was narrated by, which was in relation to the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And why I'm telling the untold story, because when the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel successfully led this farmer movement in 1928, it's called the Bardoli movement Satyagrah. It was a Bardoli Satyagrah movement in 1928, which was against the British taxation system. And after this movement only, he was named as the Sardar. He was given the title of Sardar. So from this movement till the after independence of India, when he unified 45 around princely states into the union, that's why we celebrate him as an idol of unity.
5 साल वहाँ काम करने के बाद मैंने खुद की अपनी कंपनी शुरू की महाराष्ट्र में। मराठी लोग बहुत कम है इस इंडस्ट्री में, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी में। तो मैंने शुरुआत तो की। शुरुआत में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आए, बहुत अड़चनें आई, लेकिन एक जिद थी कि सक्सेस होना है और मराठी आदमी, मराठी मानुस महाराष्ट्र में इस इंडस्ट्री में खड़ा होना चाहिए। इसलिए मैंने सबसे मदद लेके अपना काम शुरू किया। पिछले 6 साल में, सिर्फ 6 साल में मेरे वेंकटेश ग्रीन सस्टेनेबल एनर्जी का टर्नओवर जो है तो 100 करोड़ के पार हो गया है।
2009 में जब गुजरात के तत्कालीन मुख्यमंत्री थे हमारे मोदी साहब, तो उन्होंने अनाउंस किया था कि वो पहला शहर जो देश की ज़रूरत है, जहाँ पर वर्ल्ड क्लास का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, वर्ल्ड क्लास की पॉलिसीज़ और वर्ल्ड क्लास का एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट किया जा रहा है। तो उन्होंने प्लानिंग किया कि देश की जो आवश्यकता है, जो पहला शहर बनाना है, वो उन्होंने प्लान किया कि हम गुजरात में बसाएंगे। और 2012 में जब केंद्र में यूपीए की सरकार थी, उस समय उस शहर को मंजूरी मिली। और जैसे ही 2014 में केंद्र में देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी पहुंचे, तो उस काम में और भी तेज़ी आई। और आज आप देखेंगे कि जो सपना 2008 और 9 में देखा गया था, वो ग्राउंड पे उतरना शुरू हो चुका है और धुलेरा में तेज़ी से इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट का काम चल रहा है।
आई एम प्रकाश सुलाखे, ऑथर ऑफ बुक Smart Lab for Smarter Engineers, the lab blueprint for success, and I'm the director of Academic Engineering Private Limited. Welcome you all. शायद मेरा बुक आप तक पहुंचा होगा, मैंने एक गिफ्ट आपको दिया हुआ है। Thank you for that. Today I will be thankful to all of you for being a part of my first book launch here. We all are continuously working hard and contributing something towards our society and towards our nation. Academic and my book is also a small initiative towards empowering the education.
So Charles Chakra, I am owning a company that is Charles Chakra, and I'm the astrologer, tarot card reader, numerologist, and a lifestyle coach. Along with this, I'm a TEDx speaker too. So this Charles Chakra journey has been started when I was going through a lot of ups and downs in my life. I was not able to get the answer why this is happening with me. From profession, I was a CS and I was working in a very renowned company. Something happened with me that take me here, and then I have done the studies for 2 years to get to know my own answers, why this is with me, why this is happening with me, what is my past life karma, what is planets all about, how is stars, because before I was an astrologer, I feel like there is nothing like an astrology or like human bodies are made of stardust. But from there, when I started my studies and I come to know, oh, these are the planets, how they affect us.
I stand here with an immense pride representing Winsome A Express, a logistics company serving the nation since 2002. Over 2 decades of unwavering commitment to excellence and innovation that echoes the very values of great Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. As Sardar ji once said, manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. That's the core of our business model, integration. We don't just move goods, we integrate platforms, systems and partners to create a seamless supply chain ecosystem for new India. At Winsome A Express, we provide versatile single window logistics solution across India.
अभी मुझे करीब 25 साल हो गए हैं एज ए न्यूरोसर्जन. मेरी पहली रिसर्च जब मैं MBBS में था तो उस टाइम पे मेरे को पहली रिसर्च MBBS के फर्स्ट प्रोफेशन में ही मिली डेड बॉडीज़ के ऊपर कि कैसे उनकी डेथ को डिक्लेयर किया जाता है. तो जब मैंने डेड बॉडीज़ के अंदर उनकी बोन मैरो जहाँ पे प्रोजेनिटर सेल्स होती हैं जो कि हमारी बॉडी के सारे ऑर्गन्स बनाती हैं, तो वो सेल्स ब्रेन डेथ एंड कार्डियक डेथ के बाद भी अलाइव थी. दे वर लाइक जिंदा थी वो सेल्स.
We run a construction company in basically in West Bengal, that is Newtown Nirman Consortium, and basically we follow a theme of their day that there are a lot of people in our country, they have a complete dream in their entire life that they will have a house. Because in today's world there is a culture of flat culture is there and everything is there with villas and all, but in every Indian, all middle class and high class, whatever the class may be, they have a dream that I will have my own house, right? With that concept, sometimes they buy land or sometimes, they spend money for the lands and all, but in the entire life, we have so many social responsibilities, family responsibilities, child's education. Maybe they won't be able to do that in a proper way.
How many of you have heard about this black fungus after COVID? So it starts from the face. It happens in the face and it destroys the whole face. And immediately we have to cut the parts of the face. That's what the treatment is, because amphotericin B, the medicine was not available. We ENT surgeons and plastic surgeons, we had to cut all the bones, and that side of the face or the upper side or the lower part of the face will be hanging for the patients, and they cannot come outside of the house. They don't want to come outside of the house because they are they don't feel very comfortable. They cannot speak properly, they cannot eat properly. So
पटेल साहब ने एक बहुत बड़ी बात कही है, सरदार पटेल ने, faith and strength both are essential to accomplish any great work. इस लाइन को टॉप फीवर सोशल मीडिया के मंच से हमने कैसे इनकॉर्पोरेट किया, कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट किया, ये अभी थोड़ी देर में आपको पता चलेगा. हमने अपने भारत की शक्ति क्या है ये हम जानते हैं, हम मानते हैं और आज पूरा संसार भी मानता है.
It is an honor for us to be a part of this prestigious Sardar Patel Unity Summit. A heartfelt thanks to the esteemed chief guests, event hosts and partners. On behalf of the entire IWOZO team, I am honored to receive this recognition of the most innovative enterprise AI platform of the year. 7 years back, we started with a single track focus to develop a suite of AI-based software which is future-ready and fully made in India. IWOZO is that dream come true and helps companies to embrace AI quickly and at affordable costs. It feels wonderful to get recognized for all the efforts that has gone into building the IWOZO Intelligent Automation Enterprise software. It is wonderful to see Ivozo now putting India on the map of leaders around innovation in AI and software. This keeps us motivated to keep innovating for the future. Thank you once again. We are excited about the future of technology in India and remain committed to drive innovation in the field of AI.
Mr. Prakash Solanki to present his book to our chief guests here. Now requesting for a group picture. And now I would request Mr. Dr. Vipin Arya, who is going to present his book to the chief guest. Calling upon the first winner, Mr. Prakash Solanki ji, author. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? Advocate Pawan Rile ji. Can we have huge warm claps everyone out here? Now calling upon the next winner, Mr. Rupam Sharma, Managing Director, Trinity Corporate Suits. Dr. Joshin Ranjit. Can we have huge warm claps everyone? From Nestoria Group, Mr. Nitin Singh Tomar. Can we have huge warm claps? Congratulations. Mr. Popat Rao Chavan, founder and CEO, Venkatesha Green Sustainable Energy Private Limited, the best renewable energy service provider company in India. The award winner, Mr. Harry Chawla, Managing Partner, Luthra and Luthra Law Offices. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? Most inspiring personality in judicial leadership and nation building. And now it's time we call upon our next award winner, most inspiring woman in education, leadership and nation building, Dr. Shruti Sharma. Mr. Raman Preet, Chetan Gawali Record Awards on his behalf is going to be taking from Pune Institute of Business Management. Award winner Mr. Saurabh Kaspuri from Booming Bulls Academy. Can we have huge claps? Best stock market educator on YouTube. Mr. Rahul Jain, CEO, founder, Youth Leader of Bharat 2024. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? Miss Swati Mehrotra for achieving most renowned astrologer of the year. Dr. Vipin Suleji, please join us onto the stage and collect your award. Well, our next winner is Best Skill Development and Vocational Training Organization in India. Calling upon Mr. Rahul Sharma and Miss Meenakshi Sharma, Director of Indian Institute of Skill Development Training, who is the best medical billing services provider in India. And the winner is Mr. Pankaj Kumar Akshay, founder, Iconic Solutions LLC. And now calling upon the next winner, who's most inspiring, renowned cybercrime and corporate lawyer in India, Advocate Sakir M. Dadur. Can we have huge claps? Heartfelt Health Ambassador Award, Dr. Arvind Durusal. Can we have huge claps everyone? And now calling upon the next winner, fastest growing logistic company in India, from Winsome Express India Private Limited, Mr. Sumit Sharma, Non-Executive Director, and Mr. Lalit Sharma, Managing Director. Mr. Parminder Ji, President. Can we have huge warm claps? India's leading life science and outstanding pharmaceutical data management services provider for global market access of the year, Dr. Nidhi Gupta and Dr. Mohit Gupta from Vitrana. Outstanding contribution in national farming, FMCG products and nation building, Mr. Vimal Goyal. Now inviting onto the stage our next winner, Best Government of India Empaneled Cybersecurity Lab from TerraSoft Technologies, inviting Mr. Ashutosh, founder and CEO. Now calling upon the next award winner, Best Engineering Contractor of the Year from Matrix Engineers India Private Limited, Mr. C. Ganesh, Managing Director. Best Construction Company in West Bengal, Mr. P. Sarkar, Managing Director. Can we have huge claps from Newtown Nirman Consortium. Now inviting onto the stage Mr. Naren Kumar Anand, Founder, Evertrade India. Leadership in footwear, manufacturing and economic development. And now inviting onto the stage most trusted provider of medical education and patient care in Western India, Dr. Jagdish, Operating Officer, Gujarat Cancer Society from GCS Hospital, Medical College and Research Center. Now with huge claps, let's invite onto the stage the next winner, most trusted laser and laparoscopic surgeon in Maharashtra, Dr. Puneet Kumar Gupta. He's not here with us. Now inviting our next winner, most renowned Vastu expert, numerologist and celebrity astrologer in India, Dr. Jyoti Mane. Wow Kids Education LLP, Mr. Atul Tyagiji, co-founder Wow Kids Preschool Chain. And now calling upon Dr. K. Karuna Kumar, Best Hematologist and Bone Marrow Transplant Physician in South India. Now we are heading for Emerging Leader in Animal Healthcare, Caris Laboratories Private Limited, Mr. Jitendra Pilani. Most renowned organization in India, design and construction of clean rooms, CGMP Projects Private Limited. Mr. Swapan Chatterjee, Managing Director. Can we have huge warm claps for the winner out here? And now calling upon most trusted university in agriculture and technology of the year, Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, Professor Sanjay Kumar Das. And now calling upon Mr. Shiva Kiran, founder and CEO, Top Fever Social Media Limited, excellence in social media diversity and representation. Now calling upon the next award winner, Mr. Gaurav Medirata, Director, Prop Solution 4U Private Limited, most trusted real estate company in India. Mr. Shubhro Das, Proprietor, Pioneer Safety Industries, Best Engineering Consultancy Firm in Safety Services of the Year. Next award winner is Mr. Naveen Hans, Transformational Business Leader in Healthcare Sector. Can we have huge claps for our next award winner? Next calling upon Best Emerging Chiropractic Clinic in India, Dr. Jamir, your pain fixer. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? Mr. Rajiv Singh, CEO, most inspiring personality in business leadership and nation building from Tatyai Wealth Edge Private Limited. Now calling upon the next award winner, most trusted brand in water and waste management of the year, Saroj Tini Tech India Private Limited, Mr. Vijay, Managing Director. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? Excellence in Sustainable Materials for Energy Efficiency, Rishabh Instruments Limited, Mr. Nitin Deshpande, Marketing and Strategic Business Development. Now calling upon the next award winner, most renowned independent college with excellent placement record in Karnataka, Sri Ganesh Mogavira, President, Janatha Group of Institutions. Leading manufacturers and suppliers of silicone-based products and single-use assemblies in India. Ami Polymer Private Limited, Miss Jigisha Gandhi. She is the director. Can we have huge claps for Miss Jigisha Gandhi? And now inviting onto the stage the next award winner. Most innovative educational equipment designing and manufacturing company in India, EduWares, calling Mr. Deep Shah. And now inviting onto the stage the next winner, most innovative medical equipment products in India, Dr. Karthik Balaji. Can we have huge claps for CEO Zoriox Innovation Labs. Most trusted neurosurgeon in Uttarakhand, Dr. Ajay Bajaj, with huge claps. Can we have huge warm claps for these winners? Now calling on India's most trusted gated residential society and farmland developer, Mr. Mandeep Kumar. Can we have huge claps from Estate Bull Realtors Private Limited? And the next award winner is renowned spiritual influencer, entrepreneur and philanthropist, Miss Manpreet Kaur. Best IT infrastructure provider with excellence in system integration solutions and network architecture from Army Group, Mr. Rehan Pathak. Now inviting the next award winner, most innovative English speaking and personality development institute in North India, from Happiness Institute, Muhammad Abdullah, director and founder of Happiness Institute. Now inviting onto the stage the next award winner, most renowned astrologer in Maharashtra, astrologer Trishma Rana. Now inviting the next award winner, best co-educational school in North India, Satluj Group of Schools, Dr. Krit Serai. We have Mr. Chandan Goswami, CFO of the Year, Renewable Energy